Hello and welcome to online class. We're going to talk briefly about greatest common factor. To begin, let's look at these three words and some layman's terms definitions. We have greatest, which we could say means biggest, common means shared, and factor, what factors are numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. With that being said, what if we had the number 15? What numbers can we multiply together to get 15? When we figure all those numbers out, we will have the factors of the number 15. Okay, so we know that 1 will be a factor because 1 times 15 gives us 15. And since 1 times 15 gives us 15, then 15 will also be a number because 15 times 1 is 15. Okay. 2 times anything equals 15? No. 3, however, can be multiplied by another number to give us 15, and that other number is 5. So 5 also is a factor because 5 times 3 is 15. All right. 4 times anything give us 15? No. 5, yes. Okay, so really we have all of our factors of 15 now. All the numbers that can be multiplied by another number to give us 15. And those numbers are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Okay. So these are factors, but we have this word common, which we said in layman's terms means shared. And as a result, we need another number. Okay. So let's say we have the number 30. Okay, now it's factors. We know the definition, so I'm going to move quickly. 1 is a factor. 1 times 30 is 30. Okay, so we can put 30 out here. 2 would be a factor because 2 times 15 is 30. So that means 15 is a factor as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, okay, is a factor because 3 times 10 gives me 30. And so that means 10 is a factor as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times anything, 5 times anything, yes. Okay. 5 times 6, okay, gives me 30. So 5 and 6 are both factors. What else did we say out here? 10. We said 15 and 30. Okay, so the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. All those numbers can be multiplied by another number to give us 30. And so now we know what a factor is. We know common means shared. So let me circle all the factors that these two numbers share. Okay, so that would be 1 and 1, 3 and 3, 5 and 5. They both share the factor 15 as well. Okay, so we have factors, we have shared ones circled, and now we're looking for greatest, which in layman's terms, the biggest. Okay, so we're looking for the biggest factor that both of these numbers share, and so as a result, the greatest common factor, or GCF, of the numbers 15 and 30 is 15. And there you have it. Pretty straightforward. Okay. So when you're preparing to take, math test, some of the questions you may see, okay, it could come in the form of saying 15 is the greatest common factor, or GCF, of which pair of numbers. Okay, and then in your answers, A, B, C, you're going to have pairs of numbers here. Let's say 15 and 12, 15 and 30, 6, and 99. Okay, so that's how it would look. One way it can look is you'll get the greatest common factor in the question, and they'll ask you which pair it belongs to. Okay, or they could reverse it and say, what is the greatest common factor of 15 and 30? So in this way, they give you the pair in the question, and of course, A, B, or C would be 13, 14, 15, something like that, and now they're asking you to find the greatest common factor. So with that being said, we just went over greatest common factor, how to find factors, knowing what they are, and how the question may appear on mathematics test. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoy the video. Have a good evening.